TDS and TCS. Very simple topic, but we have to understand, then it becomes simpler. I'll give you a cake. Okay. Let's understand what I'll give it to you. But while giving this cake to you, when you came, you ordered, I showed you this cake. When you came to take the delivery of this cake, I gave you this. I ate one bite of it and I gave you balance. You asked me, why did you eat? This is TDS. That is tax deducted at source. Uh, exactly like how that cake fully you have ordered, but I've given you after eating that one piece. It is your cake only which I'm eating and I'm collecting full amount. It's not like I'm collecting half of the amount. Full amount I will collect and I'll give you part of it. This is TDS. That is tax deducted at source for the amount what I pay. You made a sales of 1 lakh to me. I have to make payment of 1 lakh, but I've deducted some portion. Whatever is the portion, I've deducted that and I've given to you. And I'm saying that that portion will come to your electronic cash ledger. Why? Because the government wants to know who is the person who's supplying, whether he's filing the returns correctly. He's supplied to me. Fine. Whether that GST is paid to the government correctly or no, I want to track it. That's why I've got this TDS mechanism. So from the payment, what I have to make, I withhold something that is called TDS. Okay. Now you came, second scenario, you ordered the cake. I'll say, okay, take this cake and I'll give you one pastry also. In TDS, I took away something. In TCS, I'll give you something more. Okay. For this is not free. Don't be very happy that, okay, cake ke saath ek pastry free mil raha hai. I'm not giving you this pastry for free. If you want this cake, you take the cake. You have already paid me the money. Now you have to pay me the money for pastry also. Only then I'll give you this. ये तो जबरदस्ती हो गया. Yes. TCS is when you have ordered for something. Okay. And I've told you have to pay me 1 lakh for this. You have paid 1 lakh. You have to pay extra more. That is called TCS. Okay. TDS is tax deduction and TCS is opposite that it's a tax collection. That is the person who is selling, he will collect some extra money from you. That is called as TCS. ठीक है? Cakes का example आपको समझ में आ गया? In first, there's something is got deducted and in second, something is getting added for extra consideration. This is called as tax collected at source. Okay.